Welcome. Going to teach you how to solve multi-step equations. They call them multi-step because they take multi-steps. Okay. Here we have a fraction equal to another fraction. You can do cross multiply and divide when that happens. So I love that. But see this negative sign? Some kids get all confused. Where does it go? Top, bottom, or in the middle? It doesn't matter. Okay. But for me, I think I'm going to move it upstairs. So I have a negative 16. That's a little easier to work with than negative 13. But it would have worked if you would have moved it either one. Okay, cross multiply. What is 2x times 13? Well, I'm going to take 13 times 2x minus 3. See, 2x minus 3 times 13. I'm going to put the 13 out front. And then negative 6 times 4, I can do that in my head, negative 24. Now it's simply Mr. Distributive Property. We get 26x minus 39, see, 26 minus 39 equals negative 24. X is on the left already, it's positive, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to add 39 to both sides. 26x equals 15. To polish it off, divide both sides by 26. X equals 15 over 26. Now, life is not always a whole number. Do I want to check this in there? Not particularly, but if you have a fraction calculator, you can do it. If it's a test, I would definitely do it. But that's my answer nonetheless. Over here, seems like there's a lot going on, okay? There's that thing called PEMDAS. I'm not a huge fan of that because it misleads kids. But here, we got parentheses. There's nothing to do in the parentheses. There are no exponents, but we can multiply. We can do that Mr. Distributive Property. So I bring that 3 down. Now you got to distribute the negative 4. So negative 4 times 5x is negative 20x. Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4 equals 6x plus 5. Now I'm going to combine these like terms. Okay, I'm not going to try and do a million steps at once. So there I am. Now I want to move the smaller variable all the time. So negative 20 is way smaller than 6. So I'm going to add 20x, even though you may have been told to always get the variable on the left. That makes no sense to me whatsoever. So if I'm moving the variables to the right, I got to move the numbers without variables to the left. So I'm going to, and again, I like doing it all in one shot because I get to go the double, right? So what do we got here? 7 minus 5 is 2 equals 6x plus 20x is 26x. Don't be, see, people want to say the answer is 13 for some reason. Divide by 26. X equals 2 over 26. That could reduce to 2 goes into 2 once, 1/13. And again, not a nice answer, but you could put it in here, put it in there, check it, it will check out. That is how we solve multi-step equations.